am Ramesh Shah from science classes. Today I am going to start fourth lectures of measurement of 8th class. Today I am going to discuss about the measurement of volume. Measurement of volume. First of all, what is volume? Volume means the space occupied by the body is called volume. And volume we determines the object which have regular shape and another irregular shape also. It means the volume of regular shaped body can be determined with help of using the geometrical formula, that is the using the different mathematical formula. Like in geometry we find the area, volume, then here volume we find of the different shape, then all shape have their own formula in mathematics, like as measurement of volume of regular geometrical shaped body. Like as if there is a rectangular body, then their volume can be found with help of the formula, that is V is equal to L into V into S. Volume of rectangular body, V is equal to L into B into S. Another, when we have to find the volume of a sphere, then volume of a sphere, then we find with help of formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Another, when we have to find the volume of cube, then we find with help of L cube. Okay, and these all are the formula with help of which we can find the volume of regular geometrical shaped body. But if the body is irregular, like as if there is a stone, then if there is a broken glass, and when we have to find their volume, then how we can determine? Then there is no any mathematical formula through which we can find the volume of irregular shaped body. Then we measure their volume with help of the water displacement method by using measuring cylinder, like as here volume of means measurement of volume of irregular shaped body. Like as broken glass or a stone, that are the irregular shaped body. Then measurement of volume of irregular shaped body, the volume of irregular shaped body can be find with help of water displacement method. By using measuring cylinder. Sometimes this type of the questions may arise, and how we can determine the volume of irregular shaped body. Then there is an answer. We can determine the shape of, that is we can determine the volume of irregular shaped body, and with help of water displacement method by using measuring cylinder. This is a complete answer. Another, there are different type of the conversion come in this chapter. like as, then here some volume, like as here volume of liquids determines in the millimeter, milliliters, liter, in this way. Then we already know 1000 ml, milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Another, sometimes we have to convert this liter into cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Then what can be write? We already know 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Another, 1000 liter is equal to 1 cubic meter. These all are the formula which is used to conversion from one unit to another unit. That volumes. And another various type of the questions may arise from these chapters, like as here change or convert, change first 1 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Then how we can convert? We already know 1 cubic meter solution. 1 cubic meter means what? 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Then in 1 meter we already know 100 centimeter there is. 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter. And when we multiply, then comes 60 cubic centimeter in this way. In this way we can convert, that is 1 cubic meter when we have to convert into the centimeter cube, then this much centimeter cube. It means when we have to convert some cubic meter in centimeter cube, then we have to multiply by this much, that is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Okay. And when we have to convert that cubic centimeter into meter cube, then we have to divide by this much. Okay. Another various type of the questions arise in this chapter. Conversion, related with the conversion, as well as some type of the questions comes like as the unit of density is derived unit by, like as one I am going to discuss. The unit of density is derived unit y. Then answer is, we already know unit of density is kg per cubic meter. The unit of density is kg per cubic meter, okay, which is made up of kg by meter into meter into meter. Okay, yeah, which is made from the what, that is this fundamental unit kg by meter into meter, and so it is what, that is derived unit. The unit of density is kg per cubic meter, which is made up of kg. In this way we can write kg meter meter in this way, kg meter meter meter, and so it is derived unit. Okay, here kg, kilogram, meter, meter meter, that all are the fundamental unit, and we already know derived unit are made from the more than 2 fundamental units. Okay. Another conversion type of the questions may arise in this way, like as change 1 day into second. 1 day into second. Then how we can convert? We already know, first of all we have to convert in second, then directly when we multiply then also comes. Otherwise, like as one day, then when we multiply by 24, then it comes in hours. Again, when we multiply by 60, then it comes in minute. When you multiply by 60, then it comes in second. It means this much when you multiply, then it goes in second. Okay, in this way you can convert into second. Okay, student, this type of the questions may arise and which you can solve yourself also. Another day I will discuss about another type of the questions. Okay.